Happy Memorial Monday, everyone. Today we're going to look at a 3-bedroom single-family home in Lakewood. This home was purchased under $500,000 in fall 2018. 2018 was definitely not the bottom of the housing market. It was not a clean-cut buyer's market or balanced market either. Today, through looking at this home, we can learn how much value a home can accumulate within 2 years and what kind of changes can make a huge difference. This home was on market 5 days ago and it is already in escrow, but it's still accepting backup offer. As you can see, the front yard grass is fresh cut and green in comparison to the neighbor's grass. So it already has a lovely curb feel. The interior looks very new. All the flooring seems to be new. The paint is new. But you will see there is no structural change. For example, the kitchen is still a long, narrow galley kitchen with the new countertop, new cabinets, and new backsplash, but it is not an open concept kitchen. The home still has 1 bathroom, but you can see it has new tiles on the flooring and new vanity. We can see little upgrades such as light fixture and the mirrored closet. All these things are not expensive. So this is a 1,000 square foot home. To update all the flooring possibly costs $20,000 to $30,000, and the vanity in the bathroom and the kitchen possibly is another $10,000 or $20,000. So you're looking at adding all that to the original price, maybe a little bit over $500,000. Right now, this home is listed at $610,000. So just within 2 years, with some change, you can add close to $100,000 to your home. I hope this provides some information for you to consider home ownership. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Bye bye.